Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money on Facebook fan page. Basically, what is a fan page? You create a page that you can post contents. You can, like a YouTube, you can gather followers. Then the followers gonna watch your videos. They're gonna promote the videos, and lots of people watch the videos. From the video ad revenue, you can make money. It's like similar to the YouTube and a little bit different ways. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can eligible for that, how you can get forced content without making any contents, and my experience and my results are gonna share you guys. So just go to the videos. Before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, and press the bell icon. So I will do the giveaway and everything I'll talk about in the end of the video, so guys watch the entire video. Now YouTube, like a YouTube, you need to qualify for Facebook. So Facebook, before I show you that, Facebook run different kind of ad. You can have an instream ad, fan subscription, branded content, and subscription group. Leave those three behind, and we're gonna talk about in-stream ad. In-stream ad, so same thing with the YouTube ad. They're going to place the ad in the middle or the end of the in the start of the video. You are not going to place it. I believe that Facebook going to place the ad, and Facebook recommend longer video is suitable for the advertiser to place more and more advertisement. And you can create those contents, or you can upload a already created contents in like a compilations or creative common videos. I will talk about everything in a minute, guys. So these are the monetization page. When you come and you need to eligible for that, and you need to apply for monetization. When you apply for the monetization, they review your page and then decide you are qualified or not. So for example, this is the creator studio for Facebook and Instagram. As you see here, I have over 4 pages. These 2 pages are not active at the moment. This is my young entrepreneur. This is the actual fan page for my this YouTube channels. As you see, I have 23% followers, which means I need to have 1,000 followers, like 1,000 subscribers. You need 1,000 followers for qualify, and on top of that, you need to have in 60 days you need a 15,000 forced engagement. I have a 4% on that in 60 days, but if I have more followers, I easily get that 15,000. Or you can have in 60 days you need to have 180,000 minutes, roughly 3,000 watch hours. Or you need to have a 1 minute video view on or for 3 minute video. Basically, the viewers watch 1 minute of your video. That's the entire length of the video is 3 minutes, but they had to watch 1 minute of the video in the past 60 days, and you need to have a 30,000 of those. So you need to get either of these. These 2 are harder to get, but these 15,000 forced engagement, you can get that easy. Once you do, it will say you are partner monetization policy green, and when you achieve these 2, you can set up the monetization and make money from it. There are lots of people are making at least 2 to 3 grand every single day. The easy way to make money online in 2020. This is the best way. So, but you need to do certain things. Like YouTube, you need to grow the fan page. So if you come to here, this thing happened today, that my page was suspended. You can see from here, your appeal decision is denied. I contact them, I'm waiting for that. This is the reason come to certain policy, that sometimes the Facebook is so much annoying that no one want to do that, because fan pages are created to promote the business. In this video, I'll promote a big money-making videos, right? So the Facebook policies are there. If you promote in a money-making advice or website like a scam, Facebook automatically unpublish your page. Is an automatic algorithm decide, not the people are deciding. That's the problem with it, guys. So you need to you need to re-appeal for that, and a couple of weeks later the page automatically become published again, but you need to wait for that. But that's why I recommend don't do the business pages, because I want to grow my YouTube channel. That's only one thing I'm doing this channels. But I have another YouTube another fan page. You can see it from here. It's called Daily Dose of Fact. I have a YouTube channel also. I achieved 7% followers in last 28 days. Okay, 7% of 1,000 I already achieved, like 70 followers. Then I can build on the way on top of that. Okay, So there's two ways you can build a fan page. First one, if I show my fan page, you basically, you can go to Google and type funny cat. So you can make a video around that, funny cat, fan videos, a reaction or something like that. Okay, you don't have to create content. So click funny cat and search funny cat and go to filter and get a creative comment license video, so you can fully eligible to re-upload it into YouTube or in the Facebook. Okay, you can do that over and over again. So you can say certain video have over 6,000 views, some of them have a 4.5 million views, so you can upload that onto Facebook. Or what you can do, if you don't want to do that, again, these channels you can see from here, they are not on these entire contents. If they make a funny cat videos or pet videos, they don't own any contents, because they get that content from other social media like Instagram or TikTok. They combine together. That's why compilations videos, or they download from the website and compilation video. You can download these videos, edit a little bit, or cut into half. So for example, 10 minutes video. Never upload longer videos on the Facebook page, because nearly 90% of them are using the mobile phone. Like they swipe through it, they don't want to spend more 10-20 minutes of their time watching that video. So you can cut this 10 minutes video into 2 to 3 minutes video, so you have 2-3 contents to publish on your page. You can upload that every single day. So when the engagement grow, followers grow, and when you meet the necessary requirements, you can make money from it. Now, this is one way you can do it. Or there's a second way that you can you actually create a content, upload into Facebook, at the same time upload into YouTube. So for example, I can show you guys this. This is my another YouTube channels. I'm running a multiple YouTube channel. This is one of them. It started growing because I am growing every channels organically. I didn't buy subscribers, I didn't promote anything. So you see these channels, I already have around 10 subscribers right now, and it's bringing a couple of views every single day, which doesn't matter, because I am creating those contents and I am the sole owner for the content. So I can upload that into Facebook. The simultaneously I can grow followers on both sides. I can bring followers from YouTube to Facebook, Facebook to YouTube, so I can achieve that monetization requirement very quickly, and I can make money from it, guys. So this video in this channel, I create a videos using content sample. I made a video about that in the past. You can go and check it out on my playlist. But these are the videos, guys. So I have 114 views on these videos. I can upload that and make money from it. So if I go to my page here, I can show you guys. So click this one. This is my actual page for my YouTube channels. And you can see from when I published the videos on the on this fan page, I didn't get any views for at least 20 days or 30 days. Now that channels, that videos have started to grow. So for example, this video started to get more attention and we bring over 70 followers and 22 video views this week alone, guys. So you can see from I have 1 like here, but I have 7 people reach, 7 engagement, 1 comment. So you can see from it, guys, you can go similar to YouTube. So when you publishing a video on YouTube, you can publish it on here and you can make money from it. But be careful and read the policies, because some videos are not qualified that. So if you're uploading videos every single day and grow a Facebook fan page, and Facebook come and ban your fan page, so your hard work is gone, guys. So be careful. Don't upload sexual harassment videos, or those kind of videos of YouTube and Facebook doesn't like. Don't upload those. But you can upload funny videos, has a more engagement than other videos. Cooking funny videos, gadget videos, they have a more engagement than other videos. So you can upload that and make money from, guys. So thanks, guys, for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon, you will get notified when I release a new video. And like I said before, I'm running a giveaway on when I reach the 1,000 subscribers. So first winner has gonna win the £100, and the second is 60, and the third is £25. I will PayPal them the money. So if you want to win that, subscribe and like and share, guys. Thanks for watching.